Okay, so I have your names entered into my spinner, and I am going to put you randomly into groups. I call these your study buddies, and we'll have groups of three. There will be one group of four. So we're gonna start. Liz. Okay, so group first study buddies are Elizabeth, Caleb, and Leticia. Going on to the next group. Sarah. Treasure. Shelby. Ethan. And I guess that'll be the group of four since I forgot to move on to the next one. Lauren. Madison. Seth. Next team or next study buddies. James. Connor. And Katie. Adrian. Oops, Hunter, sorry. Hunter. Jessica. Oops, it did not remove Jessica. Hopefully it doesn't land on her again. Mackenzie. So Hunter, Jessica, Mackenzie. Joshua. Casey. Britain. Victoria. Holly. And there's Jessica. She's already in a group, so we're going to remove her because I did not remove her last time. Ashley. Okay, then our last group is Sage, Adrian, and Lakeisha. And there will be more information on what you need to do now that you know who your study buddies are. Thank you.